how to use these special magical numbers for love, romance, money, even fame. They really work. It's unbelievable. Hi, everyone. Robert Zink, miracle mentor and alchemy success coach. And oh, yes, today we are soaring high like a big, beautiful eagle, and we are always flying in the direction of your dreams and your goals. If you have ever watched a beautiful sunrise or a sunset, and at that moment you were thinking about your life, your dreams, your goals, then you need to click the bell icon and follow us and be sure and subscribe. Now, we're going to talk about special numbers here in a moment, but I want to remind you something big is coming up. October 20th, the full moon, manifesting love beyondbelief.com. You're going to want to go there and get registered. This is a special 90-minute intensive that Rachel and I have put together for you. It's extremely intense. It's going to help you have the love that you deserve and the love that you desire. Manifesting love beyondbelief.com. So, high flyers, we're going to talk about special numbers, and we're going to explain exactly how this works and how you can begin using it right now to manifest what you desire in your life. Now, these are called Gravovoi numbers, and they're oftentimes referred to as cheat codes for the universe. So, in other words, imagine that you have a cheat code that allows you to go directly into the universe, tap in to the vibrational energy that you desire, and pull it into your life. So, high flyers, I'm talking about money. I'm talking about love. I'm talking about romance. I'm even talking about fame. If you're interested in any of those, hang on till the end of this video. And then I want you to participate with me and others around the world, sharing your results right here so people can tap into it. Now, these special number sequences were created by a Russian psychic who is also a mechanic, a paramedic, a number of other things. And he's an interesting character. That's all I'm going to say. And he created these, and they seem to work. I will tell you up front that I have used these special Gravovoi numbers. I've used them to manifest and also to bring about healing in my life. Now, Grigori Grabovoi claims a number of outlandish, stupendous things about himself that may seem like he's on the verge of insanity or megalomania. But as a student of radionics and vibrational energy, I can testify that these numbers provide amazing success. Now, here's how they work and how you can use them to get exactly what you want. So, number one is S.L. McGregor Mathers, the great mystic from the Golden Dawn era, said that by names and images are all powers awakened and reawakened. So, in other words, if I take this pen and I assign a meaning to this pen, because life is about the meaning that you give it, okay? I assign a meaning to this pen that every time I am writing with this pen, I am manifesting additional money into my life. Eventually, my subconscious mind will believe it. My energy field will react to it. The infinite field of potential will respond to it. And like a talisman, every time I use the pen, I will seem to notice that additional money flows into my life. Now, one day I may find a nickel walking to my car. The next day, I may get $10,000 mailed to me in an envelope. But money will start to come into my life. It won't happen instantly. I have to believe the meaning. You have to suspend your disbelief. And when you believe whatever meaning you give, for example, I have a special meaning, I won't tell you what it is, to this particular pendant. So everything that I have, so many things in my life that have meanings to them, and they activate and they awaken latent powers within me. And that's what McGregor Mathers was talking about, by names and images. So numbers are a type of name. Numbers are a type of image because they create a specific frequency. But more importantly, I give meaning to those numbers. So I'm going to walk over here and I'm going to show you my chart. So high flyers, in a normal pie chart, all the sections would be the same size. But in this pie chart, the sections are different sizes, indicating that the numbers have different frequencies. They represent different vibrational attunements. So let's take 1, for example. 1 is a different frequency than 5. But if I take 1 and 5, I have a different frequency or vibrational extract than I have from, say, 9 and 8. In other words, they awaken different powers within the universe. So the real power of these special numbers comes in their sequence, and the sequence is what is critical. In addition, the cheat codes work best when they are combined with an affirmation and intense visualization. Okay, here's what you've been waiting for. Here are some specific cheat codes that you can begin using right now. And remember, I want you to share your results below. The code for unexpected money is 5 2 0 7 4 1 8. Say the following sentence. I activate the code 5 2 0 7 4 1 8. I am receiving unexpected money from an unexpected source. And now, high flyers, here's the code for love. And it can be used for family. It can be used for friends. This is general, intense love. I activate the code 3 8 5 6 1 9 4 for love. I am living a life filled with love and happiness. Now, high flyers, romantic love is a little bit different. So here's the one for romantic love. I activate the code 3 8 5 6 7 9 4 for romantic love. My specific person and I are falling deeper and deeper in love. And finally, for all you YouTubers out there, here's the code for fame. I activate the code 827 7 247. I am famous and in demand. Now, high flyers, write the code down on a 3x5 card. Carry it with you everywhere. Use the code 3 times a day with your affirmation. If you have a little extra time where you can visualize the outcome, that's even better. Once you get the code memorized, see the numbers burning before your eyes. It's relatively simple, but it's extremely effective. Let me know your results, and here's some other videos to help you on your journey.